A very good evening to my fellow friends and my fellow lecturer, Encik Hafizul. Today, I would like to present to you a topic which is entitled the sign language. First of all, ask yourself, what actually is sign language? Sign language is actually a system that uses a manual, facial and other body movements as a means of communication. It is also a method of communication that uses a hand and other body gestures. Well, what actually are the most common sign language? One of the most common sign language is also known as the deaf sign language, also known in today's world as the BSL, which is called the British Sign Language. How many types of sign language are there now? Well, there are actually three types of sign language. The first sign language is actually the ASL, which is called the American Sign Language, and the second one, which is called the BSL, earlier as I told you on, which is called the British Sign Language, and lastly the third one is called the SE, which is called as the Sign Language. During my research, I actually went around and asked my friends, and one of them told me, what actually is the benefit of learning sign language? Well, the most compelling benefit in learning sign language is that it helps in terms of early communication with the disabled people. Moreover, it also helps in early communication with babies, such as toddlers. Who actually found sign language? Well, the founder of sign language, which is Dr. William C., is widely recognized with both internationally and nationally for the creator of sign language. In a recent article in the internet, the article says that a child's level of oral language reveals about their ability to comprehend the meaning of actually speaking sign language. And they actually drew a picture in the air, which is used by a hand signal, and the child instantly recognized the meaning of the word. So these concepts actually tells us that sign language isn't only understand in today's modern world, but it's understood by the society and small children as well. In conclusion, the use of sign language is one of the many strategies that can be used to engage young reader in developing early literacy skills. And also, sign language actually helps disabled people to communicate with each other and also bring them closer to our hearts. Let us encourage sign language so that we can bring the hearing disabled people closer into our lives. Thank you very much for your time.